Okay, guys, today we're making the what?
The Melon Sunrise.
Really, what's all this? You like a dancer now? Can you dance?
You remind me of the Lion King. I can.
Really?
Yeah, but I'm not going to. This isn't like something you can dance.
I'm sorry, what do you consider dancing? Is like twerking? What, like?
I went to OSHA, okay?
I don't know what that is. What is that? Like a Japanese hardware store?
I did all kinds of ballroom. I did tap, I did jazz, hip hop.
Can you twerk? Can you twerk? Because that's all
No!
of... Okay, all right, well, shut up. You can't dance, okay?
Whatever.
Fucking body gonna know.
We'll agree to disagree.
Ain't nobody gonna know damn ballet concert, okay? We go to twerk offs, okay? I can't, I go down the street and I'm like, hey boy, look at this, okay?
And then people are like, my eyes!
That's right, I burn your eyes out with my twisting. All right? Really, dancer, okay.
I have a lot of special talent.
What else can you do?
Don't worry about it.
Okay, when you say stuff like that, right, our mind immediately goes dirty places, right?
Then that's your own problem.
Right, what you think, they thinking Christian stuff at home? Well, she probably is a preacher, okay? She probably is really good at saying the word of God. That's not what anyone thinking, the way
But
you say
I
that.
am.
Anyway, all right, let's make this damn drink. Okay, love the little orange garnish on the side, right?
I love it.
Okay, so here goes. We put some ice in our mixing glass, and then we follow that with what?
Our vodka. Our Russian water.
And wow, you're copying me, okay? You're using my phrases.
Yeah.
Then we come behind that with some melon liqueur, and she used to think this was cucumber liqueur. Why would that be cucumber?
Because cucumbers are green, same
Really?
thing.
A lot of shit, jalapeno's green. That could be jalapeno. Anyway.
I don't think that would work.
Okay, so we put our little mix aside, guys. You grab your little cocktail glass, your little Collins glass, and then you pour in orange juice.
Fun fact, Collins is my last name.
Really?
And I also hate orange juice.
Okay, good. Y'all can stalk her now. Now we follow it up with some what?
Some grenadine.
To give us a nice red bottom. Whenever you hear sunrise or sunset, there's grenadine in there. And then we come over the top with our mix. Okay, that's the vodka Midori mix that we just lay on top to give us that nice looking melon sunrise with a little orange on the side.
It's beautiful, refreshing, tropical.
Who's prettier, that drink or you?
Me.
Wow, okay. And there you have it, okay? The melon surprise, perfect for a ballroom dancer, like anybody doing that shit, okay? We like 95 years old.
This is like Dancing with the Stars.
You gotta kind of mix it up. Okay, so there's grenadine, orange juice, and it kills the color a little bit. Oh Lord, she can turn it into a mess now. Oh Lord, oh God, oh Lord. Okay, now try it. Our green's gone, okay?
Ooh, I want to sit by the pool.
Really?
I want this in one hand.
Can they see the pool outside? They can't see the pool outside, hey. There's a pool right down there,
I want to
boy.
sit by that pool, this in my hand.
By the way, this is a real background. I don't want y'all to think this is no CGI or... What is
It's the real deal.
Would that be called CGI? Like some kind of green screen. That's a real background, okay? What you're looking at is Los Angeles, okay? There's a pool down there that she's gonna go sit by, all right?
Yes.
Okay? All right?
Yes.
And she's gonna be ballroom dancing.
I'm gonna be tangoing all on that pool.
Oh, you can tango too?
I can do it all. I can do it all.
Could you do, okay, you can't stand up tall because the camera's low, but can you do a little something like that height?
I can jive.
Okay, do something then. Let's see
I
what you
can't do it with my hands.
Okay, just do something at this height, like right here. Like just do something so we can see your skill.
What do you mean?
I don't know. You're the one who said you could dance. Okay, that's high enough. Like right there. Okay. Ready?
There's no room.
You have enough. Don't worry about
you.
it. Just the upper body. Okay, that's an upper body dance.
I'm just gonna do the robot.
Okay, let's see.
You gotta carry it. You gotta carry it.
I don't know. Was it sent to me?
Yeah, I'm sending it to you.
That's a robot?
I'm sending it to you.
The fuck kind of dancing is that? Okay, you can sit down now, okay?
Clearly you're not a dancer because
No.
you're not carrying
No, I thought you was having
so.
a goddamn seizure. I was gonna look for some CBD oil to rub on your ass to fucking stop you
Oh,
from...
I love CBD oil.
You just drink it raw?
With the tinctures, yeah.
Stay tipsy! What the fuck is going on with this guy? Who the fuck drinking CBD?